Can you solve this Math Olympiad problem? If you think you can, pause the video and make a guess. In this video, we are expected to find the value of x here. But first thing we have to do is to try to make the left and the right hand side to be in common base. And to do that, they can't work because this is 3 and this is 18. They can't be expressed. So what do? All we have to do to get this is that we have to take the log of both sides. So we take the log, you have log of 3 power x plus 1 is equal to log of 18. So if you take this log, the reason why we took this log is that logarithm allows us to multiply the power to the log. Okay? So the power is x plus 1. So we multiply x plus 1 to the log of 3. And that's equals to log of 18. Okay? So the next thing we do is to use the log 3 to multiply everything in the box. So log 3 will times x to give you x log 3. And log 3 will times 1 to give you log 3. And that's equals to log 18. Then the next thing we ought to do is to subtract log 3 from both sides. Okay, just like collecting like terms. So we have x log 3 is equal to log 18 minus log 3. Okay, so if you have this, you have it that x log 3 will now be equals to, observe one thing, we are subtracting in the same base. And from the rule of logarithm, whenever you are subtracting logarithm in the same base, you have to keep the base the same and divide the numbers. So what do? We keep the base, we have to keep the log, the same, and divide the numbers, 18 divided by 3. And if you divide 18 by 3, you are having it to be 6. So we can now see we have x log 3 is equal to log 6. Okay? So what do we do again? We have to divide through by what? Log 3 and divide through by log 3. Okay? If you divide through by log 3 will now cancel out the logs. If it cancels out the log, you are now seeing that x is equals to log 6 over log 3. Okay? So if you want to simplify it best, you can just use change of base immediately. But if you want to simplify it, 6 is 2 times 3. You can write it as log 2 times 3, then divided by log 6. And this can be split again because when you are multiplying in the same base, you can add them in the same logarithm. So you can now see we have it as log of 2 plus log of 3, then divided by log of 3. So if you have this, so let me continue here, sorry. Yeah, if you have this, you see that x is now equal to, you split the fraction, you have it as log 2 over log 3, okay? Then plus log 3 over log 3. I split the fraction so that log 3 will cancel out. So at here, we are having the final answer that x is equals to, use change of base here. Keep the base, the denominator, the log of the denominator becomes the base. So we have it as log of what? Base 3 of 2. We got 1 here, plus 1. And that's the answer. If you want to avoid confusion, you can say that x is equals to 1 plus log of base 3 of 2. And that's the what? Answer. If you found the video interesting, like, comment, and share for more exciting math tips like this.